Hey guys, welcome guys. So in today what I'm going to show you is the issue that is in SE80 Object Navigator. Let me just show you. This is with the newest system 752, and SAP has set it up to some web site. And the reason why it's loading that long is because it tries to load some web page. Okay, so at the end it's not going to show anything. So what we are going to do right now is that I'm going to show you how to change that to something else. Okay, so you probably are seeing something like this in your SE80. If you are not, so you are using the newest version of the SAP system where this is already solved for you. But if you do see something like this, you can just follow this guide or just watch this video, and you can set it up for yourself already. Okay, so on the right side, there is a help directly from SAP. I will share the link also with you somewhere near to this video, either above or behind. But what is important to see here that in the procedure, we need to go to transaction SMW0, and we need to put there the image that we want to use right here. Okay, we do already have an image in our ABAP Academy. In this system, you already do have that. So if you go to transaction SMW0, so let me just do that right now. You will be able to see that image in the binary data. And if you search for Z something, you should see ZAA ABAP Academy logo. Okay, so just copy that into your clipboard. So this is what you can see already. Okay, let me just close that down, because right now what we will need to do, we will need to go to SE16 to set this image to be displayed here. Okay, so let me go to SE16 from this same session. Okay, and this is the database table we need to go through. So let me just copy that, paste, and let's wait until it displays the data. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so for everybody, here is the attribute WB news and value WB news. Since if you will investigate further, there is a link to some special help site. We don't for some reason it's not displaying in the right way. So what we will do, we will just delete this, or let me first create a new record. Okay, so for all the users, we don't put anything in here. We will put the information or the attribute called WP picture. Okay, this is going to display the picture, and what we will need to put here, the name of our of the logo. You can put it anything, but let me just put there the name of the logo. Okay, ZAA ABAP Academy logo. This is what you could see in SMW0 transaction. This is already in your system. Okay, so let's hit save. That record successfully created, so that's fine. And in order to work that properly, we need to delete this this line. Okay, so right now it's like you see that you cannot just go into deletion mode. Okay, so what we will do, we will go let's go to edit mode for this attribute. And what we will do, let's go to /h to debug mode, and let's press save. Okay, and let me show you what we will do. So right now, double click on code and change the code from, and actually, okay, let's do it for both just in case. Okay, so let's change it to DELE. Okay, DELE. Okay, just for sure, just do it for both of them. And press F8 or this button. So right now you are able to see the delete button, delete entry right now. You are not able to see it normally because it's not allowed to delete this kind of record. This is kind of the hack that you can do right now. Okay, so let me move back. Right now, if we also refresh, we can see that instead of WP news, that there is already the picture. So right now, if we go to SE80, it should already work. All right, so here we go. This is the solution on how you get there. It's much faster right now because it doesn't try to load anything in the background. So this is the way on how you do it. Yeah, that's all.